Engineering and Construction Sigdo Koppers is a company of Chilean capitals, leader on performing large-scale industrial construction and erection projects. Since 1960, it participates on the main infrastructure investment projects performed in Chile, as well as on important projects in Peru and Argentina. The business spirit from their founders and a long-term development approach promoted the company's diversification, forming Sigdo Koppers S.A., being today one of the most important corporate groups in Chile, with operations in 25 countries and with presence in areas such as services, industrial, commercial, and automotive. Engineering and Construction Sigdo Koppers provides integrated quality services and a fast response to all requirements through efficient and innovative solutions. These services are covered in engineering, construction, industrial erection, startup, procurement process, customs clearance for equipment and supplies, transportation, and logistics. In order to fulfill different requirements from our clients, we have created subsidiaries specialized in environmental solutions, mid-sized construction and erection projects, industrial services, maintenance engineering and plant operation, marine and pipelines works, manpower training, and with operations in Peru since 1998. Our company is present in the main productive key sectors. In mining, we have performed more than 120 large-scale projects. We have executed the construction and erection of the first concentrators within the country, as well as the largest projects in this industry. In the power generation and transmission sector, we have developed more than 70 projects, among them the main thermoelectric and hydroelectric power plants. We have performed more than 60 substations and 4,000 kilometers of transmission lines, being pioneers in the construction of 500 kilovolts power lines in Chile. Over 90 relevant projects correspond to our experience on industrial plants, such as cellulose, paper, chemical, oxygen, and refineries. In civil works and infrastructure projects, we have carried out the construction of the biggest sewage water treatment plants, port facilities, and Santiago's subway. Our company has capabilities and comparative advantages which have become a key factor to establish a solid reputation in Chile and the region, having a 30% of the local market share. We have a vast experience on performing and leading EPC projects, which consists in the integration of the design and complete execution for each project. Through our special rigging unit, we design and implement technical precision erection works. Furthermore, engineering solutions are developed for formworks and scaffolding, and for the planning and control of welding, all critical activities in our projects. The fulfillment of the established commitments and timeframes with our clients is a well-renowned attribute of our company, showing a high level of proficiency on planning and effectiveness on developing our projects. We have quality and environmental management systems certified under international standards in order to optimize our processes and achieving a continuous improvement either for our operations as well as for the environment. The implementation of training programs, career development, and well-being policies have enabled us to rely on a competent and committed workforce. We count with a management capacity of more than 22 million man-hours and 18,000 skilled workers internally certified. Our commitment with the workers' health and safety is one of our highest priorities. This management outcome is reflected on indicators that widely exceeds the construction industry in Chile. Our procurement and logistics department ensures an efficient material and equipment supply. The procurement and inspection process are key factors, as well as having a worldwide record of suppliers. Moreover, we have the largest and newest construction equipment fleet in the country, including cranes and equipment for heavy and large-scale special transportation. Our company is certified as a Manitowoc and Grove Service Center in Chile, Peru, and Colombia. either for our own equipment and for third-party companies. We have developed long-term strategic alliances with worldwide class companies in order to ensure and provide the best practices and leading technology. For example, is our more than 20 years joint venture with Bechtel in performing the most important mining projects in Chile. For engineering and construction Sigdo Koppers, social responsibility is a long-lasting commitment, ruling our operations through a corporate administration that promotes our company values and the best ethical and business practices. Under this guideline, we have promoted long-term relationships with our clients, suppliers, and workers, also being environmentally friendly and giving support to the involved communities. As a result of these efforts, we have been acknowledged with the highest awards in the industry. We are prepared to face the challenges required by today's market. We have developed areas dedicated to incorporate technological advances in the constructive processes, new equipment that contribute to productivity, and to reduce the direct manpower required for hazardous activities. Today, we have in mind the future by maintaining our professionalism, the best ethical practices, and commitment which we embrace on each one of our projects. We look forward to becoming strategic partners for our clients and increase our added value, in which we assess new business models for the execution of integrated industrial projects, including its financing and operation. More than half a century of background inspires our company, the challenge for a sustainable growth, in order to continue developing engineering and construction Sigdo Koppers' successful history.